So, the BFDIA teams have finally merged. Only took us until we reached the final 6 contestants out of 22 to get to this point. For context, BFDI merged at the final 12 out of 20, and BFB at the final 7 out of 14. Yes, BFDI had 21 contestants, but David didn't join until 6 episodes after the merge. And while BFB originally had 64 contestants, most of them left for TPOT, so I'm only counting post-split here. TPOT itself is yet to merge, but with 19 out of 45 contestants remaining, I think the merge isn't too far away. Anyway, with us being so late to BFDIA now, that got me wondering, just how many episodes are left? The chances of a rejoin seem unlikely, so surely we can just go straight on until the final 2 or 3 contestants are left. But this is BFDIA, I suppose. Can't rule anything out for certain. So it seems we could have only 3 eliminations and a final 3 winner vote left, giving us 4 more episodes in the episode 22 finale. But we could have a rejoin and a final 2 winner vote, which would mean 6 more episodes in the episode 24 finale. Which episode number are we most likely to end on between 22 and 24? I did a poll on Twitter. Only 17 people responded. So, take this with a grain of salt. But 41% said the finale would be the final 2, and there would be no rejoin, giving us 23 episodes total. 35% said it would be the final 3 with no rejoin, being 22 episodes total. And 24% said there would be a rejoin, but half of them said it would be a final 3 finale, so 23 episodes again. Whilst the other half believe we'll get a final 2 finale, giving us 24 episodes. So, while we can reasonably expect another 4 to 6 episodes of BFDIA, the majority consensus seems to be that we have 5 left. Now, how about TPOT? Well, assuming there are no rejoins and double eliminations continue through the whole show, we'll end on the final 3 and have 25 episodes, which is 9 remaining episodes. But if the merge happens next episode, we get 1 elimination per episode from now on. There are 2 remaining rejoins, and we end on the final 2. Then we will end on episode 35, which gives us 19 more episodes. That's a lot. So, I made a Twitter poll with 4 questions. What episode the merge will be? The options being anywhere from episode 17 to 20 plus. How many rejoins there are left? The options being 0, 1 and 2. Whether the double eliminations will stop after the merge. And finally, whether the finale will be a final 2 or final 3. So, the results for each question are as follows. Question 1. 17% think the merge will occur in episode 17 at the final 17. 44% think it will occur in episode 18 at the final 15. 11% said episode 19 at the final 13. And 28% think episode 20 or after at the final 11 or later. Question 2. 33% of people think there will be 0 rejoins. 67% think there will be 1. And nobody said that there will be 2 rejoins. Question 3. 80% think the double eliminations will stop after the merge, while 20% think they won't. Question 4. 80% think the finale will be at the final 2, while 20% think it will be a final 3. So, taking the highest voted options in each question, this gives us a final 15 merge, 1 rejoin, double eliminations stop after the merge, and a final 2 finale. So, that means after the merge in episode 18 there will be 14 more eliminations, and that we will reach the final 2 at episode 32. So, that means the general consensus seems to be that the TPOT finale will be episode 33. To summarise, whilst we have anywhere from 4 to 6 BFDIA episodes left, it is believed we are most likely to have 5. And whilst we have anywhere from 9 to 19 TPOT episodes left, it is believed we are most likely to have 17. On a closing note, I want to know who you guys think is the most likely of both shows' remaining contestants to win. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell too. Well, I'll see you guys later. And until next time, bye, maniacs!